Welcome to Photoshop tricks under 2 minutes. Open your main image and your background image. Go to Select and choose Subject. Select your rectangular marquee tool, and right-click on the subject and choose Layer via Copy. Next, select your main background layer, then go to your second image. Copy your second image by using Ctrl-A, and then Ctrl-C. Go back to your main image and paste using Ctrl-V. Resize and reposition your second image. Next, right-click on your second image layer and choose Blending Options. Go to the Underlying Layer section and adjust the values. Last, adjust the blending mode of the layer by choosing Darken. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.